video with white glue, white Elmer's glue, and it's washable, no run, school glue. It's summer. Okay, and guys, I did her hair. I'm an awesome friend. Okay, but anyway, so we got our bows, mixing tool, glue. Okay, so let's get into the started. And guys, we're at where we at again? C.B Smith Park. Yeah, and it's cleaned up bathing since we're going to swim. We're gonna swim at the water park. Yeah, water park is awesome. That's a good idea. I want water in mine. I want to make you already pictures. Okay, now go Thank you. It's so hard. And we guys, we're doing a part 2. We're doing a part 2 with clear. So make sure you watch that one. Yeah. And make sure you like and subscribe and hit that notification bell. We will be watching. Pause this video. We watching? We waiting. Guys, let's stop. We waiting for you to stop. Click that notification bell and subscribe and like and comment. We waited. We're not doing nothing. All right. I believe in you guys. Now we did it. Okay, so my slime, she is almost turning into slime. I'm gonna need it for my hands. Ew, that's weird. Oh, y'all already put your activated. I'm taking my global time. Oh, by the way, I don't think you subscribe or comment. So we gonna wait. I'm waiting. Wait. We waiting. We believe in you. Okay. This is turning my eyes up. My slime is kind of. Mine is not coming up. Oh my god. Miley's so cute. It stopped working.
You can open it.
Oh. You're like, my slime is kind of hard. I'm just gonna add some. Guys, I have magic powers. Someone got slime on your water. Sorry for if you hear all that sounds. Because they're having a party. They're having a party. Which is very So guys, I'm almost done because well I am actually done. But you guys wanna make some? Huh? You guys wanna make some? Yeah. Can we make some? So guys, he mixed. Oh my. Let me have a piece. Here's some of this. Everyone grab a Wait, you need to make this, girl. I'm just adding it to it. No? It's a lot better now. I'm gonna clean up my first. Oh, guys, remember when I said I was the queen at slime? I didn't know what I said. I'm not. Sometimes I make fails. So sometimes I'm Okay, guys. Thank you for watching Slime 954. Please remember to subscribe. Because we was waiting. And like. Okay, time's running out.
A few moments later.
Bye.